Hi guys, you have opened ATS art channel. Today's topic is Redmi. In this video I'm going to tell you how to turn off install unknown apps on Redmi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have already watched my other videos. So let's go. Open settings, your phone, then scroll down, find privacy protection, then tap on special permissions, select install unknown apps, not allowed, choose not allowed. Make the button gray. Okay, you did it. I hope it was easy and simple. Don't forget to write comments. I try to answer everyone. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. I hope I can do it. Thank you. Goodbye.